Hello, what's up, all this side, Tinu Gala smiling face with smiling eyes, aka Gen Z developer. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment on my videos. Subscribe and hit that bell icon. Save this playlist.
Now we will talk about the next aspect of variables. What are variables? Okay, now when you're writing a program, we are going to deal with a lot of words, you're going to deal with a lot of numbers, right? If you want to store that information somewhere. You have this RAM. RAM, I hope everyone knows, in every computer we have a RAM, which is basically a place where we store our information which is in our computer. Now let's say in RAM you store name Tinu Payal Puja Rahul Rocky. Think of it like, if you want to find Tinu, you can easily find Tinu in a -4. Easy, right? Now let's find Puja. Okay, there are two Puja, one small Puja in a -2 and big Puja in a -3. Still easy, right? Now let's find Rocky. Okay, there are two Rocky, one Rocky in B-1 and second Rocky in D-1. Still easy, right? But in RAM there are going to be millions of names and numbers stored you can't find, right? That's where it gets difficult. There is an easy way of variables. Okay, variables is like a way in which we are going to access the name Rocky. So variables are nothing but placeholders. So it's like a box which will be called, let's say, B-1, and in it let's say I am storing Rocky. So whenever I need Rocky, I will just use B-1. Which is far easier to remember, right? Every language has their own way of declaring variables. Java have a different way of defining variables. JavaScript has a different way. C has a different. In JavaScript, you can create variables using any of the following keywords: var, let, const. When we declare a variable, we name it like number1, str1, bool, in the above value. And also we assign a value to it to be stored in the variable, so that we can use it later in our program when needed. Let's try to understand variables in depth. When we declare a variable, the system memory reserves a memory location and stores the value assigned to it in that memory space. And when we reference the variable name again in the program, the value is fetched from that memory space.
Hello, what's up, all this side, Tinu Gala smiling face with smiling eyes, aka Gen Z developer. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment on my videos. Subscribe and hit that bell icon. Save this playlist.
Let's understand the difference between var, let, and const. When we declare a variable with var keyword, it is function scoped. When we declare a variable with let keyword, it is block scoped. When we declare a variable with const keyword, it is block scoped, but we cannot reassign the value. The value with which we initialize the const variable will remain constant throughout the program. We'll learn about function scope and block scope in later sessions. Variables naming rules. 1. Variable can only contain letters, digits, underscore, and $sign. 2. Must begin with a letter. 3. Variables can begin with $ and underscore sign. Very important. 4. Variables are case sensitive. 5. Reserved words can't be used, for example, true, false, var, let, break, etc. In var. Globally scoped or function scoped. This means that the scope of variables defined by this keyword can be either in the complete program or inside the complete function, where we have Defined it. In const. These variables cannot be redefined again or reassigned again. Once defined, their values will be constant. In let. These variables' scope remains under the block. In var. These can be declared without being initialized. In const. These cannot be declared without being initialized. In let. These can be declared without being initialized.
Thank you for watching video till end, smiling face with hard eyes.